Okay, so I thought I could kind of walk you guys through my thought process. Something I prefer to do is clean everything first. Then I like to put all of the decorations except for Christmas time because there's so much of it I cannot fit it all in one space. But I like to put all the decorations on the island and then I kind of lay it out and see what I have. So that way I know where to kind of start placing things and start getting a vision. In one of my videos that I recently posted, you guys reached out and were asking about what books were on my coffee table. So they are all the books from Liz Marie Galvin. I'm going to get her last name right this time. These are the 3 that she currently has. This one is more of an interactive book. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. It's not like my favorite. It's probably my least favorite out of the 3. Super cute, super aesthetic, and there is great things in it, but I more so like her books for the idea of like inspiration. So not my favorite. These 2, on the other hand, are pretty much neck and neck. This one is Cozy White Cottage, and it's 100 Ways to Love the Feeling of Being Home. Lastly is Cozy White Cottage Seasons, 100 Ways to Feel Cozy All Year Long. This is more of a themed book, so she kind of goes through on this one and like we'll break it up by season. She talks about how to use whites in spring, summer, built-in shelves. I mean, she is amazing. I have some pages marked, but these books are absolutely amazing. They're great for inspiration if you're having a hard time thinking of ideas. I highly recommend specifically getting these 2. You guys can follow her on Instagram too. It's Liz Marie Galvin. Amazing, amazing, amazing for inspiration if you're having a hard time coming up with some ideas. So they also are great coffee table books to style around the house. So that's also great. Some of these pieces this spring are going to mean a little bit more as I'm pulling them out of the box because this was my great-grandmother's, and some of the stuff you guys are going to be seeing around the house and that you're going to be seeing come out of this spring box were actually hers. So this was her hat, which was really cool. I used it last spring as well. I styled it on our blanket ladder, and I'm thinking I might do something similar to that again this year. It's really bittersweet because she actually just passed away this week. So yeah, I just cherish these things that got passed down from her. So excited to style this in the house. So now that I have everything laid out here behind me, I am so excited. Now comes the fun part, which is styling all of these items throughout the house. Let's get started. It is still such a beautiful day outside. It is giving all of the spring vibes. So I think the kids and I are going to go ahead and get cleaned up, get changed, and then we're going to head up to the park with my mom and my little brother. We're going to have a little picnic. We will let Paisley play on the playground and the swings, and then hopefully brother can get a nap in before this beautiful day is over. Our weather has been so bipolar lately. One week it is nonstop downpours and raining, but this week it is feeling all of the spring vibes. So that's why I felt like it was so appropriate and it felt really necessary to go ahead and get our spring decorations up. All right, let's get our butts to the park. It is the most beautiful day here in SoCal.
This is fun.
Yeah.
A pineapple or a pine cone? A pine cone. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you got inspired to decorate your house for spring. The kids and I are really excited for these sunny days outside. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification. I'll alert you guys whenever I post a new video. Well, until the next one, bye guys.